Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for the 16th of July, Monday, and today the market's gap down, a little gap here. The market's continued to go lower until around a little after 10 o'clock. It found the low and began working its way higher. Pretty interesting on the day. We ended up only taking one trade. We were working inside of a maximum profit potential of 6 3/4 points or 27 ticks. Actual entries and exits, we made 2 1/4 points or 9 ticks. Basically, we watched the market come lower, come lower, come lower. Then we saw it starting to stabilize. We grabbed a long over here and rode that up a little bit, taking some profits fairly quickly. And then it just continued moving higher from there. So, it is what it is. The profit's the most important thing, consistent profit. Yeah, but, sometimes that happens. It goes up, looks like it's at a resistance level, then it breaks through it and, continues up. So, pretty interesting on the day. So, definitely made it a fun day. That's for sure. And with that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we do focus on the ES or the S&P 500 futures market. It's been my favorite market to trade for quite a while, and it's pretty awesome to be able to share it with other people. The members of the room, they enjoy the market as well. They want to learn and grow, and it's pretty cool being able to coach clients and see them progressing, and it's just really, really cool. My mom was a first grade teacher for most of her career, and like she got to see this same thing, and she would talk about it. But until you really do it for yourself, it's it's just you hear someone saying it. But it's definitely pretty cool to see some people that I was able to teach and grow in front of you and make money is awesome. And it's I'm not saying that I'm not taking credit for all of that. Obviously they had to be open to learning, and they had to put forth a lot of effort. So I would say, hey, they did a better job than I did. I just showed them a couple things. They're the ones who actually practiced it and learned it and did it. That's the way I see things. But I don't know why I'm talking about it. It just felt compelled to talk about it. With that, let's go ahead and check out the news for tomorrow. And this is what we're watching for. We have a lot of news coming out tomorrow. Beginning at 8:30 in the morning, we have core CPI. We're looking for 0.2%. CPI looking for flat. Prior reading was negative 0.3. We have some Canadian news coming out. Bank of Canada rate statement, overnight rate. Canada's is closely tied to the U.S. The only reason that's valid is because it's coming out at 9 o'clock. Also at 9 o'clock we have U.S. news to tick long-term purchases. We're looking for 45.7 billion. Prior reading was 25.6. 9:15 we have the capacity utilization rate, looking for 79.2%. Prior reading was 79. And industrial production, looking for 0.4%. Prior reading was negative 0.1. Then at 10 o'clock we have Fed Chairman Bernanke, his testimony. That's going to be pretty big. Everyone's going to be paying attention to that. We have NAHB Housing Market Index at that same time. Not a big market mover, but it could be significant if it coincides with every bit of data that comes out. We're looking for 30 versus 29. And then at 1:15 we have an FOMC member speaking, and that's big because if they say basically what Bernanke says, and then Bernanke, I believe, is speaking again tomorrow, again on Wednesday. So we'll see what transpires in that. And with that, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would show support and show that hey, people enjoy these videos. Uh, and with that, have an awesome night, everyone. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see everyone in the markets tomorrow. Thanks.